My name is Veronica, and today I'm here to talk to everyone about this new product here called Nagano Tonic. So if you really want to know more about Nagano Tonic and know the whole truth, I will tell you everything in the smallest details. I want to talk about some very important warnings, important things about Nagano Tonic, so I suggest that you pay close attention and watch this video until the end. And to help you, we go to Ponto's important things you need to know about Nagano Tonic. First of all, I want to say that I managed to access the manufacturer's official website, and I'll leave it below this video. It will be the first link below in the description. Guys, a lot of people are asking on internet, what is Nagano Tonic? How does it works if it really is good? The answer is yes. Nagano Tonic is a top one today in the supplement treatment market, natural. And you must have already been through this, right? You want to lose weight, start going to the gym, and it takes time to losing weight. It takes time to get good results. This is discouraging for anyone, and you realize you're not losing any kilo or any pound. You begin to notice that your diet is not as going great, so that's why Nagano Tonic is here to help you. If you want to lose some extra fat or pounds, does Nagano Tonic really help your general process? Nagano Tonic is a top one on the market and is a powerful supplement. The best thing is that it is 100% natural, and there are no contraindications. The benefits are very simple. It will accelerate your body's metabolism, and once all. In addition to accelerating your metabolism body and make it work well, it burns calories faster. But Nagano Tonic comes with more benefits than what just help you with your weight loss and general health. Nagano Tonic will help you detoxify your body, so it will get rid of any impurities and any pollutions in your body. It'll detox you, cause your face and body lose weight healthy. Additionally, it helps control anxiety, which is one of the main causes of gain of accelerated weight. Nagano Tonic is in capsule form and is easy to swallow, so you don't have to worry about that. It is completely natural, which has no side effects and is also without contradictions. It is completely safe for you to take, and something that greatly increased customer confidence, and that Nagano Tonic is FDA approved and is GMP. But it's important to say that you need to make an effort, do some activity physical, at least a walk, that will make the Nagano Tonic able to fulfill your paper even faster. This combination will greatly speed up your metabolism and make you lose weight in a beautiful and healthy way. And there that people will start commenting how you have changed, how you are more beautiful. So alright guys, the Nagano Tonic really it works, and you can trust this product. But only buy from the official website of manufacturer that I left in the first link description. You can actually read the comments of people on the manufacturer's website. There the people go there and write about their success stories with Nagano Tonic. You must remember, although it is natural, so of course your body doesn't give you results overnight. There are no magic capsules, guys, so keep that in mind. But once you start to do the treatment, I recommend you start right and take the recommended treatment by manufacturers. Recommended is at least 3 to 6 months treatment. For the best result, you need to take 1 capsule every single day. Don't forget, it's important that you don't skip days. Why? Your body will need time to start adapting to it, to begin to absorb everything in your body. I recommend the kit with 3 to 5 bottles of product, so you can get your results more quickly and effectively. Another thing that's cool about Nagano Tonic is that it offers you a guarantee of return the money if it is not satisfied with the result. What you need to do now is go to the website official from the manufacturer, and if you regret, contact the support team and request a refund. It's as simple as that. They trust the product so much that they guarantee if it doesn't work, they'll give you back everything money. So you have nothing to lose. Like thousands of customers, I hope that you really succeed. I hope you don't need one refund, because you will see great results as quickly as possible. So if you want to lose weight in one go, healthy Nanira, if you want to fix your overall health and detoxify your body, lose weight in a healthy way and natural, so I really suggest that you give Nagano Tonic a chance, because it really is the top one on the market today. Now yes, the link it's right below this video. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.